Guangzhou Jiaxing is established in 2013, a professional engaged in research, development, sale, and service of glass cosmetic bottle and jar, plastic cosmetic packaging, and paper box. Our associated factories has professional equipment such as melting furnace, bottle making machine, bottle inspection machine, and so on. Customers can select the current mold products from our catalog or send us the concept or make new molds. The designer can provide free design service according to your idea. We have professional sales department to communicate and supply service for you. Our associated factories also have strictly quality control team to inspect your orders from the production to shipping. Our company focus on providing one-stop service for customers in packaging filed. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer services, our experienced staff members are always available to deal with your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our child-proof glass jars have a patent certificate for appearance. The essential oil bottle has passed the CE test. The cosmetic glass packaging has passed the ROSE test. Foreign export sales is our company main business. Reach about 90%. Our products are exported to Americas, Europe, Asia, Oceania, and other regions. We welcome OEM and ODM orders from all over the world.